Hi you guys, I'm back again, and just within a minute or two of ending that last video because I couldn't get smooth operation here, I did get it. And what it turned out to be is that the two screws here, they have to be able to clear the inside of the house, go through that process. But for now everything is rotating and moving. You know what, while we're here, and we still have time, I should get started and put this back in place. So that'll go like that. Just throw them on down there. Well, that one's going to have to be redone. So that's nice and snug on that one, and that one we're having a bit of an issue with. Good stuff. Now, should we put the feed dogs on? That's the next question.